Tip 1. Tangerine Sponge Cake. The first tip is my favorite recipe. First, you need a basket of fresh tangerines. I use a knife to gently score shallow lines along the fruit. Then, I use my hands to peel along the lines I just cut. With just a few simple steps like this, you can peel the tangerines very easily and cleanly. When the tangerines are clean and ready for the next step, put all of them in a blender and blend until the mixture becomes smooth. There is no need to add water, as the oranges themselves have natural moisture. Next, I will pour the blended orange mixture into a small bowl. Then I pour the mixture into a pan and simmer it over low heat until the mixture thickens. While simmering, remember to stir gently and continuously to prevent the bottom of the pot from burning. When you see the mixture begin to thicken and smell more fragrant, you can turn off the stove. When done, pour the simmered tangerines into a bowl and let them cool completely. Now, let's move on to the cake batter. I prepare 4 eggs and crack them into a large bowl. I add a small bowl of sugar and use an electric mixer to beat until the mixture turns a pale yellow and becomes smoother. No need to overbeat, just until the sugar dissolves and the eggs are well combined. Once done, I add about 4 teaspoons of cooking oil to the mixture. Next, I add the cooled tangerines to the bowl of eggs. Then add 200 grams of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. You should sift the flour through a sieve to avoid lumps, helping the cake to be smoother. Use a spoon or spatula to gently mix in one direction until the mixture is smooth and uniform. The mixture is ready when it has the right consistency, not too runny like water, but also not too thick. Next, I prepare a round baking pan. If using a metal or silicone pan, you should brush on a thin layer of oil or line it with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Pour the batter into the pan about 2/3 full to leave room for the cake to rise during baking. Bake the cake at 140 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. When the cake is done, gently remove it from the pan and let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before removing it from the mold to avoid breaking it. The finished cake will have a natural orange color from the tangerines, a soft and smooth surface, and a mild aroma. When cut, the inside of the cake is fluffy, slightly moist, and has a natural sweetness from the fruit, without being cloying. And just like that, we've completed this delicious and appealing tangerine sponge cake. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Potato cake. For the second tip, I prepare 3 potatoes. To mash the potatoes, instead of peeling and cutting them into small pieces as usual, today I will show you a faster way. First, cut each potato in half and place them in a pot of water. Boil until the potatoes are soft. You can use chopsticks to test them. If they pierce easily, the potatoes are done. Remove the potatoes and let them cool slightly to make them easier to work with. I prepare a large bowl and a sieve with wide holes. Place half a potato on the sieve and press gently with a spoon. The soft potato flesh will fall through the sieve into the bowl, while the skin will remain on top. Continue until all the potatoes are done. Then simply use a spoon to gently press the potatoes into the bowl to get smooth, creamy mashed potatoes. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper to enhance the flavor. Add 100 grams of flour and a little melted butter. Next, I'll crack an egg into it. Then, I knead it lightly with my hands until the dough is pliable, elastic, and less sticky. This is when the dough is ready. Next, I divide the dough into small portions and shape them into balls. Then, I prepare a baking tray. Brush it with oil or line it with non-stick parchment paper. Place each dough ball on the tray, keeping them spaced apart so they don't stick together. I place the tray in an air fryer and bake at 140 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. When the cookies are done, you will have cookies with a slightly golden crust and a soft, smooth interior. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Here are 2 tips for today: soft, fluffy, and delicately fragrant tangerine sponge cake, or rich and creamy potato cake with an appealing appearance. Which one do you like best? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.